Hello, today we're going to learn how to solve vector problems. First of all, a vector is a line segment that has to fulfill two requirements. The first requirement is that it has to have some sort of length, and the second requirement is that it has to go in a certain direction. The direction from which the vector goes towards should be read in standard precision according to the horizontal axis. Let's label this point A and this point B. By doing this, we can name the vector AB. Only half the arrow is drawn in order to note that it is a vector. Point A is called the initial point, and point B is called the terminal point. When joining vectors together, you can only connect the second vector's initial point to the first vector's terminal point. So using this AB, I'm going to connect another vector called CD. As you notice, C is the initial point for the second vectors, and B is the terminal point for the first vector. Okay, so when the magnitude equals 1, it is called a unit vector. After finding unit vectors, we can find more about the vectors. So let's start trying to figure out this vector. Because it is a unit vector from the origin, we can name the point 4, 2 in component form. On the other hand, we can also write it in its linear combination form as 4i plus 2j. When writing the directions, we do it by finding the angle and according to the standard precision. So this will be 4 and this will be 2 from the point. We got it from the coordinate, and in order to find this angle, we had to use tan. So tan the angle equals opposite over adjacent, but it equals 2/4. But we want to find the angle, so we have to do arctan 2/4. And that is estimated to be around 26.6 degrees.
Okay, here we have the tissue box. The girl in the pink used 15 net force, and the girl in the black used 8 net force. First, combining the two vectors together with the terminal and the initial, you will form a right triangle. And to find the magnitude, you will use the Pythagorean theorem. Which will give you the answer 17. And to find the direction, you will use arctan of the opposite over the adjacent, and that will give you 28.07 degrees with a magnitude of 17.